Ngucanio ici cikwambĩrĩria mũthĩ wa gatano kiumia gĩkĩ bũrũri-inĩ wa Tanzania, kũrĩa timu ĩno ĩratanya ũhotani ngucanio-inĩ icio. Timu ya Kenya igĩtwo hamwe na Rwanda, Uganda, ũndũ ũmwe na Tanzania thĩinĩ wa mũthugũko wa mbere ũrĩa ũrakuruhania mabũrũri mana.
We are very sure we are going to make it because bidii ilianza from 27th and we have been seeing that, and from what we have been doing, of which training speaks a lot. So whatever we have been doing in the training, I'm very sure we are going to carry to the game, and if we are going to do that exactly, we are going to qualify.
Athaki aya makoretwo meharĩria-inĩ mwena wa Flamingo Beach mwena wa Mombasa magĩtanywo kumagara mũthĩ wa rũciũ.
We have Rwanda and we have Tanzania and Uganda. Those are the opponents we are going to meet there, and we are not underrating any team because all teams are prepared for this championship and they are all aiming at going for the Olympics.
We want to thank the Kenya Volleyball Federation, thank the NOC, that is the National Olympic Committee of Kenya, because they provided the uniform, they've given them the bags.
Rĩrĩ nĩ rita rĩa mbere Kenya iramũkĩra gũtwara athaki a mũthako ũyũ mbĩtĩka-inĩ cia Olympics.
We are very good, so sisi ndo threat kwa wale wengine. Yeah, we believe in ourselves, na hatuwezi believe that kuna threat. Now that we have worked so hard, hatuwezi jikuwa tunatetemekea any team.
Ngĩriboti ya Kameme TV haro-inĩ, njĩtagwo Njoki wa Mwangi.